Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can lose up to 30 pounds in 2 weeks. I already have my ingredients set on my cutting board, so we're going to go ahead and get right into the video. You will need some pineapples, a cucumber, a piece of ginger root, a lemon, 1 liter of water, and you will also need a blender. So the first thing we're going to do is take our pineapples and measure 1 cup. Next, we're going to cut half of this cucumber. So now that I have my half a piece, I'm going to go ahead and take the skin off. So next, we're going to take this piece of ginger and de-skin it as well. I forgot to mention one small little step. This is the cup size to my blender, which obviously all of this water cannot fit inside here. So I have to use half of this liter of water with half cup of pineapples and a half of a cucumber with half of the piece of ginger that I cut, if that makes sense. So this is what it's looking like so far. You're going to use half of a lemon to squeeze the juice inside the drink mix. So now I'm just going to put the cap on and shake it up just to give it one final blend. If you made a full portion, basically you're supposed to drink half in the morning before breakfast and then half at night before you go to bed. Also eat 1 healthy meal throughout the day. This will definitely cleanse your system. You will definitely go to the bathroom. And if you made this recipe with me and you are going to try to lose up to 30 pounds in 2 weeks, leave it in a comment down below so we can go on this journey together. Before I go, I'm gonna let you guys know how this tastes because this is my first time making it. The ginger root is definitely powerful in here. You could taste a hint of lemon, and I can't really taste the cucumber. Nonetheless, this is very tasty. So hopefully it does what it's supposed to do. Again, this is my first time making this. So let me know if you guys made it as well and leave it in the comment section below. Today is Saturday, July 11th. So I'll be doing this for the next 2 weeks. All right, you guys. So thanks so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.